In this video, I will show you how to repair a chainsaw starter if it doesn't work. I have an iron Angel GS700 chainsaw here, and its manual starter has stopped working. I start pulling. This is slightly unpleasant. Thing happened to it, so now we will remove it. The starter, and figure out what the problem is. To remove the starter on this chainsaw, we need to use a square wrench. Here have we 4. Unscrew the 4 bolts around the perimeter of this cover. Starter mounts. And after that you can remove the starter with the cover. As you can see, the starter teeth are intact here. They usually break, which causes such a malfunction. On the starter ratchet, there are 2 pawls that are spring-loaded. They are made of metal. Fit well, the springs are stiff, so there can't be a problem with this. I suspect that the issue is related to the failure of the soft start mechanism spring. It is located in the inner part. Now we will unscrew this screw with a crescent-shaped screwdriver and remove the upper part of the starter. Lift it carefully. Everything here is intact. You can see that the tip is broken off. You can see that the spring moves freely around in a circle and does not affect the operation. Let's take it out of the housing. It looks like this, and it is broken. I bought a new soft start mechanism spring for the chainsaw at Ushko. It is held together with a wire. It should not be removed before installation. Now we will install it in its place. And after that, we will cut the wire with pliers, so we don't have to tension it again. First, we install it on the spool, like this. And after that, you need to guide this end. Here is the loop on the spool. Slightly pull it up, put it in its place. There it is already in place, and after that you can cut the wire. Since the spring is already in its place. Remove the wire. And the spring goes in. All that's left is to carefully remove the shelf so it doesn't interfere with the work. Insert everything completely and tighten the fastening bolt of this mechanism. Let's check the spool's operation. Do not tighten it too much. First, tighten it all the way, then pull the cord out a bit. And gently unwind it until it retracts. That's it. The spring is tensioned and you can try to start it. Place the gasoline sauce starter in its place. And after that, we'll check how the chainsaw starter works. Amen, indeed, truly.